ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee hapok jingalam ba Vincent H Pala kila pelong dak jingpun ku buram yo saleng e sangma ubala job ya ka election MP dangshan dak ba piliam no ya ka agat haki sangma kabadai na kalong yeng jong pernu e sangma ki balapat ya ka Tura seat da sau punyo senam penti ya kani ka jingpun ku buram yo saleng e sangma la pelong hasusu tham auditorium shillong hak jingdon lang ringkat kinong yalam juga Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee baganthop yo ba pensngan NCM ba Roni Willingdo ba Charles Mangar bat kiwe pat Hapakaran bigla pathai kubuar usaleng e sangma walaupun pau ba umsum lapoi perkhat bo unsha pun ku buram wat udap dak jingkeman bokraw ya kani kasngi susu usaleng walaupun pau ba kum MP un persang mandra ikimat ki bedai bat kejela kum ka ILP ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo menyorung ha khernet bapra bat kum ju ru ban pek lang ya ka jing e jong ka than chete lam ngi hi borok kowe
by the Eastern West Khasi Congress Committee. Come forward, please.
For being I'm here is not because of me. My all thanks goes to Sir Pala, Madam Deborah, who has really worked tirelessly in the first place itself to defeat TMC. TMC was really trying hard for themselves to get a ticket because there was an India alliance. For that, I would like to thank first Sir Pala and Madam Deborah, who has taken me to meet Madam Sonia Gandhi and all the other leaders from the center. And it was true for them also not to believe in me, being only member of the Legislative Assembly in Garo. When Mukul himself was the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, when he has put his all efforts to win the MP election, Lok Sabha, for his brother, could not win. When he fought for his own son-in-law, he couldn't make it through. When he fought even for his wife, he could not make it through. When he was a chief minister, just imagine, it was true on the side of the AICC to believe that we will not be a winner. That's why my all gratitude and thanks goes to definitely Sir Pala and Madam Deborah, and definitely our MLAs who has joined with us to push a ticket for me. Ronnie, Charles, Magna, Gabriel, and everyone who has fought for me. 2 months back, I was not even in, I was just an MLA, opposition leader. I never felt that I'll be here sitting and then talking to you as an MP. First, when I landed here, I was having a little cringe and a little excitement also. You know, feeling a little, how would you say? I feel a little different actually. Excitement in the meantime, feeling cringe. But all its blessings only from above. I'm so excited to be part of you and part of the system right now, so that I can at least open-mindedly speak about the truth, about the issues and agenda, whatever I felt to speak for us in the Lok Sabha elections. I will definitely follow up whatever Sir Pala has already taken up. For example, he has already talked about the ILP on the floor of the parliamentary session itself. He has already talked about the 8th schedule on the floor of the House itself. So definitely I'll be taking up, sir. I'll definitely continue to tackle those matters are really serious for us, because we really need 8th schedule to be placed before us. Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, definitely we require that one. And then that ILP, definitely I'll pursue the matter even after you are gone, sir. I believe in you, whatever, in your leadership and capacity that you have led us. I believe in your innocency and simpleton. Maybe too much of your simpleness has pulled you down, sir. Not because you have created that polarizations or vacuum in the state.
Now we are trying to talk few things out, and then moreover Sir Pala is guiding us how to go about, how not to go about. And then moreover we had a dinner last time. Sir Pala has organized a dinner along with our BBP MP also. He was there along with Arden Basamite and all. So we are trying to chat few things out. Let's see if there is any common issue regarding the Meghalaya. We will definitely take it together. Not only Meghalaya, even for the whole Northeast as well. We have got lots of main issues. We've got education, we've got health, we've got border issues, we've got ILP, we've got, we've got this 8th schedule, Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, which they have to, absorb us into 8th schedule, so that our people, our youths can, we need not have to compromise in the future about the examinations, about any kind of competitive examination that will be held by the center. Well, you see, issues pertaining to any citizens of India, they just cannot, they just cannot segregate the issues pertaining to any issues of the citizens of India. Now, for example, now they are silent on Manipur issues, right? Now, if they keep on silencing about the Manipur issues, now look at how the hue and cry is happening right now. Thousands and thousands of people are being displaced from their home in Manipur. They are silent on that. Okay, that day on itself, when all the MPs went to the floor of the house, I mean on the floor of the under the well of the house, then only people started. Then only Prime Minister starts speaking. So definitely for this issue, all the other Congress members, we will definitely talk with them, because right now I'm not alone, as already stated by our members. We are hundreds, because now we are 102. Okay, not only 100, we are now 102. So with that, we will have more number to deal with any cause for the citizen.
See, in Parliament, normally it's not the individuals or the state-wise strategy. Normally the party's strategy. So, for example, if Saleng wants to speak about any subject, he has to get the approval of the High Command. I want to speak, so give me 5 minutes or 10 minutes or half an hour. He'll initiate the debate. So with 100 MPs, definitely he'll get a chance, and we'll place it together and jointly. It is not that one individual's MPs only. It's for everybody has to decide. So the strategy has to be for overall, and of course, definitely the state-wise also we have to work on.
May I add something? In the Congress party, be it in the state legislature or the parliament, before any session there is always a parliamentary party meeting. Yeah. So I think he will take up those issues in that meeting, so that unitedly the Congress party in parliament will raise the issues, will flag the issues concerning the state and even the Northeast.